Every single day, there's new things happening for Shiba Inu. Even though if the price is going up or down, the updates are here. What's going on, everyone? Be sure to leave a like. I have a lot of important things to talk about today. Especially, you might be displeased with your bag not being worth as much as 2 months ago. Well, I'll be explaining a few things because I've been getting a lot of comments about this. And also, what we can see here, more exchanges are coming in. I think this tells you, because Kanga will list Bone and Leash and probably SHIB in the future, we can see that these big exchanges are not supporting only Shiba Inu, but the other tokens as well. So people are asking, why is the price not going up? And this is something I'll be talking about today. Obviously, a lot of you want the at its highest again, including me. I want to see us surpass the at its highest. Now, be sure to check out my Patreon, where I give some exclusive news and also a special look inside the market. I'm offering special deals in the description below, and it's super easy to join in. All you have to do is click the link in the description, and it will give you some special perks, such as a look into the market, a secret Discord group, and more. Thank you so much, and let's talk about the real thing right now. Why is Shiba Inu not going up? What are the updates happening? Let's be super realistic here. Sometimes things are happening, but the price is not moving up. Why exactly is that? Well, they're very much bound to how Bitcoin is performing right now. This is why I'm investing in cryptocurrency. Inflation is destroying our future and our life with money owed and controlled by the government. I wouldn't want to hold $200,000 in USD basically and see a 5% inflation year-on-year basis. Look at Venezuela. Imagine if you're living in Venezuela and you have basically a bank account that is now worthless. Just imagine, you have no cash at all. Like, Venezuela's money is useless. Imagine if you invested that money from the bank account. People had $80,000 in their bank accounts in Venezuela, maybe thousands of dollars that just became useless because so much was being inflated and printed. And the biggest thing is, investing into Shiba Inu, where it offers that financial independence. It doesn't even have to be Shiba Inu. It could be any cryptocurrency, but I believe Shiba Inu will grow even more. And that's the beauty of it. I think Shiba Inu has so much potential. You can see inflation happening year-on-year basis. So if you have anything more than 100,000, you'll be losing money. And that's just crazy to me. You can see that the market, however, Bitcoin is going up and up. And that's not because, people invested into it and find more about it, find more about Shiba Inu. It's because people trust that Bitcoin is going to be safe next year and stronger than ever. And that's the beauty of it. You can always sell Bitcoin whenever you want. With the US, one day you see that, 1 year you see that you still have a lot of money. Now that money is worth much less. Now going on from here, we can see that Shiba Inu is still getting the update. So that's the beauty about it. SHIB made headlines recently. It has quite a story, but it's becoming a major DeFi player. It's becoming the next big thing. We got to talk about why Shiba is not growing, even if we're getting updates. I always make videos, even when things are not as much happening. I will still keep you informed on the biggest or worst news. I'm your host, and that's my point. Even if we get good news, if we get bad news, I'm here to report about it. But honestly, we got so much news when it's a year after SHIB hits $1, but you miss the SHIB army. And you can see basically people want to get their Lambos. I think people want their financial independence. The Lambo basically shows that people want that financial independence they deserve. They don't want to be screwed over by banks or big institutions. I think I made a fair point here, but a lot of people want to buy a house for their kids, for their family. They want to go on a vacation without fearing of losing their job the next week because they didn't work their hours. They didn't put their hours in because they had a simple vacation. That's just crazy to me. And I think a lot of people agree here. We're like-minded people. And that's my point why I made the Patreon page. We are all in this together. And that's what I find exciting. We're here. We're a SHIB army, but we're also people who are way ahead of people who have not invested in cryptocurrency yet. I see a lot of bad comments lately regarding price action, and this is something I saw, if we're not getting big spikes. The entire crypto market is down by 3.65%, and we're bound to Bitcoin as of right now. We all want to see crypto rise, especially SHIB, but at times we have to expect this consideration and factor. And crypto markets are volatile because they're free. For crypto investors who have been in the market for a while, volatility is not a bug, it's a feature. And this is happening every single year. And we're seeing, volatility happening, but one thing we're not seeing is inflation. Inflation is not happening for Shiba Inu. Yes, Shiba Inu is 90% less right now than it was before, but it can get back. And that's the beauty of it. Those who bought at its highest are not happy, but those who bought in at the dip are very pleased with what's happening. Crypto markets are volatile because there's no central authority to stop them from being so. Crypto asset prices, therefore, can be assumed to represent the investor sentiment more fairly. The hints what a pure market could look like. And we can see their structural issues, there's more information. Crypto markets hint a new path. New things are happening. There's no market more transparent than the crypto market at affordable prices compared to the traditional services. Crypto data aggregators give real-time insight into transaction volumes. We have all the transactions. And the biggest thing about this is we're seeing this volatility since 2015. This is before SHIB even was created. We saw this, going up and down, but the average volatility was 68% for Bitcoin. It was going so much up and down, but then at the end, it was always going up here, and this is at its highest, and that's the beauty. That's what I want to see. That's what I love. And I think we're going to be seeing a lot more like that. We're seeing, very volatile weeks, but the new traders are actually already expecting this. We saw that a lot, but the most important takeaway here is that big institutions are still coming in. Yes, it might take some time, but this is your chance to be finally financially independent that you deserve. I fully trust everyone watching this video will make the right decision for the next year, where it can be a completely different situation, where Shiba Inu can be, have 2 million holders, can have 3 million holders, who knows? But I know something for sure, that Shiba Inu is only in early stages of development. The most crowded designation often marks relative market tops for the asset group in question, but not historically when it comes to Bitcoin. This could just be Bitcoin is relatively new on scene, however, and not yet present in the fund portfolios. We can see a lot of things over here, crypto-related stocks dropped with Bitcoin price, and we can see the stocks fall as well, not only Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin falls, the stocks do as well. Even Riot, look at this. Even Riot, a video game company, is falling. And that's Riot Blockchain, basically. I'm not sure if that's the same thing. But we can see here that the same things are happening. Bitcoin is going to be going up. This is, 2021. But if we look on the long term, returns are going to be going up sooner than ever. For one thing exactly, people are investing now into Shiba Inu more than ever. They're preparing for that. Institutions will finally let us do that with so much regulation. UK will hold back against big crypto pockets of exuberance for now. And the Bank of England's latest financial stability report took stock of the massive increase in crypto prices and trading activity. So that's the beauty of it. The report saw the top cryptocurrencies saw a sharp appreciation in value over 12 months to April 2021, and that their subsequent drop by roughly 50% in May has left them particularly volatile, with prices skewed to the downside as of last month. And market intelligence suggests crypto assets are largely held by retail investors, with institutional investors having limited exposure at present. However, there's some signs of growing interest in crypto assets and related services from institutional investors, banks, and key payment system operators. These developments could increase the interlinkage between crypto assets and their systemic financial market institution. What exactly does this mean? We're going to be seeing finally some collaborations between the real world and the crypto world. We're all a bit of nerds here, where we do have families, some of us have children, and the most important thing is here that the big adoption where seniors, where youngsters come in and invest into crypto is happening. It's on its plan. It has a plan right now. And it indicated the central bank is well aware that the sector and its relationship to wider institutional financial world are fluid and fast changing. And basically they're watching it closely. How soon are we going to be seeing, investment plans? Instead of stocks, we're going to be seeing crypto, such as investing into Bitcoin, into SHIB. And that will take some time. I'm not going to lie, Major things were happening in 2021. We deserve a break. Major and rapid shifts in the private currency landscape, including cryptocurrencies, have also prompted Conclave to argue this year that the general access to digital form of central bank money could become crucial for ensuring financial stability in the future. And we can see the next big thing that the investors will come in is NFTs. And with the Shibarium and Shibarium and the new blockchain, basically NFT, I think we're having its own NFT platform, which is the Shiba Inu incubator, which is going to be for new artists. I think, and I'm pretty sure, that is one more reason why Shiba Inu will grow. We can see, that all of these NFTs are growing while the crypto is crashing down, but we have aces up our sleeves for SHIB. Yes, it will take some time. It might take the whole summer for this correction, but I'm ready. I'm honestly very much ready from what we're seeing so far, because this is some beautiful work. Thank you so much for liking the video, and see you next time. Peace, everyone.